Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hayden from HHWCUSTOMS.com. Today we'll be talking about this Matchbox 4Runner. Now that's something you don't hear on this channel. I never really mess with Matchbox. It's mostly Hot Wheels and cartooned. And I decided to change that up for this Matchbox 4Runner. A lot of people like the 4Runner, and I do too, so I figured I might as well make something for it. And this is actually kind of an old build, but I never really properly advertised it, so I figured I'd make a YouTube video and show it. But as you can see, this is a lifted base for it, and it has a bit of the suspension parts going on front and rear, and of course the bottom you have the what would that be, the bottom of the transmission oil pan, all that stuff, and then the drive shaft itself, leaf springs, and the front suspension is actually dragged over from the Tacoma casting I did, the Hot Wheel one, but it's actually shrunk because Matchbox is a bit smaller than Hot Wheels, if you guys didn't know, or ever really paid attention. I never really paid attention, if being honest with you. Matchbox isn't really my brand, but then again, neither is Hot Wheels. If I like something, I'm gonna buy it. I don't care about the brand. But this is what it looks like right there, and we go ahead and take it all apart. This is what the inside looks like. Now, obviously, very similar to my Hot Wheels version I did, because it's the same casting, and a little hard to see in black, so yeah, I got this one done. So you can see we have gauges all set up right there. Hopefully it's gonna pick it up. We have gauges, steering wheel with all the different buttons, center console, dash, and little shifters and stuff like that, along with all the seats. Now you can see right there, it says Big Worm's Parking Lot Princess, and I do that because I think it's funny to, or for one thing, sneak in my nickname. My nickname is Big Worm, but also to make fun of all the people that have lifted trucks and stuff like that that never see off-road. I always think it's fun to poke fun of them, but if I'm being honest with you, and if I had one like that, I would do the same thing. So it's just a little jab. But on the bottom, you guys can see HHW Customs 2025 and designed and made in USA, and of course this Matchbox 2018 model 4Runner. So that's just a little look at it. There's not too much going on. Here's a look at the file. A little bit more detail on the file, as all my other builds do. Printer is just doing its best, you know, but you can see all the different buttons, all the different stuff right there on the stereo, and you know, there's a lot of detail to paint up if you actually take your time. Even on the fronts right here, you can see there are tow hooks and an LED light bar right there in front. And a cool feature I like that's really close to that is if you look at the brake calipers, you can actually see the like ducts within the brakes, which is super cool. I like the way that looks. I don't know, a little bit of detail, but once you paint over it, it's kind of going to go away unless you're dry brushing. But I think it's pretty cool. Of course, we have drum brakes in the back. This one's actually broken, that's why it's out here on display here. But drum brakes in the back, and you can see the shocks. This was where that one broke. I dropped it a little bit ago. And you have the exhaust you can ride out there too. And overall, just a little bit of detail, a little bit more stuff to paint. And this does not require you to cut anything on this casting at all. Even the little tabs in the window, I usually have people cut them on my other builds, but this one I decided to leave it because it wasn't too hard to work around. It was just these little things, and so now you don't have to worry about that. Just slide that in, you would slide this in, and then you would have no issues. All fit right together. The wheels that are on here right here are 14 millimeters, and I think this is plenty big enough for this casting. It fills up the wheel wells pretty well, and it still provides enough off-roady look that I think a lot of people are going to want. I have yet to paint one up, despite having released this, I don't know, 2 months ago, something like that. So maybe eventually I'll get to it, maybe not. Now what I will say is I'm going to be having a sale starting on the 22nd of August 2025. So these are actually going to be discounted, because right now I think I have like 30 of them, 37 of them, 38 or something like that. And to be honest with you, they do not sell. People were asking me for this over and over and over again, and as soon as I released them, nothing really. So I think I'm going to discontinue this. So this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday will be probably the last chance to get them. Hoping to sell them out. I'm going to mark them down pretty low compared to what they are right now. And then after that, that's it. So if you guys are interested, you guys see this video, check out the description. There'll be a link there. You guys will be sent directly to there, or you guys can just check out my website, HHWCUSTOMS.com, and you'll find it once you're scrolling around and all that stuff. As I mentioned, I am going to be having a sale this weekend, so keep your eyes out. Everything on the store everything in the store is discounted. That is all the wheels, all the decals, all the 3D parts, and all the tools, and everything else that I sell will be discounted. And that's just something I do usually once a month, but this time I skipped a month. So it's just every once in a while. So I try not to get people too used to waiting for the sales. But yeah, if you guys see something you like, now would be a great time to go check it out. I am stocking up on a lot of hot rod stuff that a lot of people have been liking lately, all the 31s, 32 stuff. So I would just say go check it out. I hope you guys like this 4Runner. I really do like the way it came out, so I hope you guys do too. If you guys have any suggestions for any other cars or trucks, or I guess SUVs in this case, that you want to see me lift, drop, make accessories for, whatever it is, go ahead and comment down below, and I'll try and get it done. I will say I'm currently working on some other brands like M2. I'm trying to get bases done for them, and as well as Cartoon. I'm working on stuff for the Semi. It's just a lot going on behind the scenes, a lot of other stuff. So time will tell when other stuff comes out, but feel free to leave suggestions down below in the comments, and I will be happy to make some stuff for it. And if you guys haven't already, please consider subscribing. It really does help me a lot. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video.